Hôm nay là 27 tháng 7, em tên là Như Ý, em xin đọc bài báo. From VOA Learning English, this is the Science Report. A weather expert said the year could be the strongest El Nino event in recorded history. They say it could lead to severe weather conditions in many parts of the world. El Nino is Spanish for the child. The event usually begins in December. El Nino develops when winds of the west coast of South America weaken. This permits warm water in the western Pacific to expand toward the east and the Americas. At the same time, clouds and rain over the warm water also move east. El Nino condition happens about twice every 10 years. Usually the condition continue for about 12 to 18 months. They bring warm weather to some areas. The areas also become wetter than normal. However, El Nino can lead to drought in other areas. Eastern Africa, Kenya, and Uganda are preparing for possible flooding because of El Nino. Yet two countries to the south, Malawi and South America, are already dealing with extremely dry weather. The United States Children's Fund warned that many people are at risk from hunger, disease, and water shortage resulting from this El Nino. In East and Southern Africa, is warm up to 11 million children could be affected. Weather change caused by El Nino depend on its strength. In the early 1980s, a strong El Nino was linked to dry weather in Australia and Asia, rains and flooding in South America, and high temperatures in most of the United States. 10 years later, a smaller El Nino caused flooding in parts of the U.S. For VOA Learning English, I'm Calorie Prestige.